This is for those of you who forgot how to take your publisher file and make a PDF. When your poster is done, you can see this one is not, but if the poster is done, go to the File menu in the top left corner of the screen. Click on that and choose Export. It's down towards the bottom in my screen. Export. Over on the right, find the button that says Create PDF/XPS. Click on that. I recommend giving it a new name, a special name, maybe something like Final Poster. I recommend putting it on your desktop. You may have to open up this PC area to find that, but click on Desktop. Save as type as PDF. That's good. Hit Publish. And that's all there is to it. You can then go to Canvas, find the assignment link, and upload this Final Poster PDF for grading.